All right, let's get this party started. Portside BBQ. Quick pause to wash it. All right, here we go. So when you're on the Ultimate Dining Package, you get a $20 credit here. This is the lunch menu. And here is the late night menu. All right, let's get this party started. Hi, can I do the chicken wings, please?
Chicken wings. What side do you like?
Oh, I gotta pick a side.
We have an option of 2 sides. We have mac and cheese, coleslaw, and fries.
I'll do mac and cheese. I mean, we're at barbecue. What?
1 side or 2 sides?
Just one side, please. So you get your choice of 1 or 2 sides. Haley with an H. Beautiful. So other than the brisket, which is carved out here, these do come from a back partially open kitchen. So you can build your own combo starting at $7.99. And here's some kids' options. So those, I believe, are my wings back there, and he just pulled them off the grill, is tossing them in some sauce. So pretty hot, need to order, not buffet style. It's definitely a plus. And there's the banana dream and the chocolate brookie. I do the chocolate brookie. Thank you. Live music here. Napkins, silverware, water machine. All right, so here it is. And at all the tables, they have these specialty sauces. There is a mustard drill barbecue sauce, a hog wild hot barbecue sauce, the signature barbecue sauce, and just hot sauce. All right, let's see what we think. All right, first bite. I have not added any sauce other than what it's tossed in. Really good. It's not super smoky, but their signature sauce is actually pretty good. I'd say it's not too sweet. It's kind of in the middle. So good. Let's go into mac and cheese then, I guess. Tastes like Velveeta shells and cheese. So nothing crazy. And then the brookie. That's good. I'm a sucker for chocolate chip cookie-ish things with salt and sweet. Those are good. Alright, so totally different look, but we are back at Portside BBQ to try dinner menu, which is a little bit different than lunch. So for dinner, there's your pricing, 2 or 3 meats, 2 sides, 1 dessert. Here's a little look at the dinner spread. There's actually beans with dinner and corn on the cob. I mean, guys, look at that. Look at that. All right, so I gotta say, the ribs are freaking awesome. Pulled pork is good. The wings are good because I had those for lunch. And the burnt ends are amazing. I think the only thing we didn't like was the turkey.
It's too dry.
It's just very dry. Huge win.